Welcome to my channel Less Wild Zaika. Today we are going to make Desi style chicken spaghetti. Step 1. We will first marinate the chicken strips. The ingredients: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 teaspoon vinegar, 400 grams chicken boneless cut into strips. Now add all the ingredients to the chicken and mix it well. Keep the chicken in marination for at least 1 hour. Step 2. For boiling this spaghetti, we first need to boil 1.5 liters of water. Add some salt and a teaspoon of olive oil to the water and cover the utensil till the water comes to a boil. After water comes to a boil, add the spaghetti to the water. And allow the spaghetti to cook till it's 80% done. Step 3. The ingredients needed are 4 onions chopped into slices, a whole pot of garlic peeled and chopped, 2 capsicums chopped into slices, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon chili flakes, salt as per taste. Now take a kadhai and heat it well. Pour some 15 ml of olive oil into the kadhai and heat it well. Then add some salt so that nothing sticks to the surface. I forgot to put salt and I realized it afterwards. After heating the oil, add the chopped garlic. Saute the garlic well till the raw taste goes. Then add the chopped onions and saute it well. Salt as per taste. After 7 to 8 minutes, you will notice that the onions have turned translucent. Then we will add the chopped capsicum. Mix and saute it well. When the capsicum turns soft, turn off the gas flame. Step 4. We will now cook the marinated chicken. Simply heat a kadhai. When the kadhai is medium heated, pour the marinated chicken into the kadhai. Stir the chicken till the chicken changes its color. Cover the chicken and cook well. After every 7 to 8 minutes interval, please stir the chicken and then cover it and cook till it's completely done. If the chicken sticks to the kadhai, please add some water to it. When the chicken is completely done, add the sautéed vegetables we prepared earlier. And mix everything well. Then add 1 tablespoon black pepper and mix it properly with the mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon chili flakes to the mixture. Saute well till everything combines together. Salt as per taste. Then add the spaghetti we boiled earlier. Mix the spaghetti nicely with the mixture we prepared. Then add 3 teaspoons soya sauce, and 2 teaspoons tomato sauce to the spaghetti. Mix well. And your desi style chicken spaghetti is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share.